Ako si Jinky Santos Perolino, usa ka housewife. Wala na rin akong trabaho bago na ako nag-resign. May 3 ako na anak, malalaki na rin sila. Itong bahay na to ay na-assume ko kay Ma'am Juanita, year 2000. Updated ang payment nito. Kaya lang, yung mga anak namin maliliit pa. So, tsaka yung asawa ko, hindi pa gaano maganda yung trabaho niya. Ako rin, hindi rin gaano maganda yung pasahod sa akin. Kaya nag-struggle kami. Pero pinapipray namin talaga yun na hindi kami mapaalis ko. Hindi yun sa totoong buhay. Na hindi kami mapaalis. At tsaka salamat sa gobyerno kasi nabigyan kami nung meron silang promo. Nakita namin, may pumunta dito, pumunta si Ma'am Lorna. Totoo, pumunta siya. Tapos sinabi niya na, Ma'am, habulin mo na ito. Dahil napakababa na, binigyan niya kami ng computation. So, kung isipin mo, napakalaki na talaga nung hindi namin nababayaran. Kaya pinausap ko yung asawa ko na may ipon man, manghiram na lang tayo, sabi ko. Tsaka yung kunti na ipon. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami doon sa gobyerno din na nagkaroon sila ng todo diskwento program para makuha talaga namin itong bahay. Kaya maraming salamat talaga. Bilang isang ina at isang babae, nangangarap talaga ako na mabuo yung pamilya ko, magkaroon ng bahay ang mga anak ko. At sa pagtanda mo, bilang isang babae, gusto mo talaga na meron kang bahay, hindi ka makapagtanim ka ng mga gulay sa likod mo. Kaya hinihikayat ko yung lahat ng mga babae na makipaglaban, makipagsapalaran, humanap ng paraan at hindi lang umasa sa asawa nyo para kung ano man ang pangarap nyo, makuha nyo talaga. Katulad sa amin. Maraming salamat.
I'm Lourdes Angeles Basbas from Rosario Subdivision, Lot 4, Block 1, Santa Rosa, Laguna Market Area. I'm 66 years old, senior citizen. I have no children. Date of takeout, date November 13, 1995. Through salary deduction in our office every month. I religiously pay my account in National Home at PNB. Even I am a delinquent loan borrower, I see to it that I have to pay monthly. When pandemic came and my business is down. Sa gabi, minsan do makatulog, iniisip ko lagi yung house and lot ko at baka ako'y mawala ng house. Kasi syempre, pinundar ko yan, iniloan ko sa inyo, gusto ko kasi magkaroon akong sarili kong bahay, ayoko mangupahan kasi nakikita ko sa situation ngayon na mahirap mag-rent na hindi sa iyo yung bahay, hindi mo mapapaganda, hindi katulad ng sarili mong bahay, kahit ano gawin mo, pagandahin mo siya, sa iyo yun. I feel happy that the launch of National Home Mortgage opened to me the Todo Descuento. I am the first one who availed that program. I'm totally happy and thank you, Lord, for giving the opportunity to avail that loan. I thank you especially from the bottom of my heart, Miss Marla Denise Santiago, who patient and helped me to how to process the Descuento program. As a woman, I have my ambition, dream to have my own house and lot. During that time, I have work in Luzon Development Bank. I am a retired bank employee. Nangangarap na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kailangan maging brave and strong and always pray to God. Na-fully paid ko po ito ay noong September 5, 2023.
Magandang araw Ako po ay si Jeanette Leisa Lamoste. May 2 anak, may asawa. I am a registered social worker. My housing loan with the National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation take-out was last September 11, 1994 and made my full payment last April 26, 2024. In between my take-out and full payment, I applied for VIDA program, but the process was hindered by the advent of the pandemic. I have difficulty in religiously paying the amortization due to family obligations to my sickly parents and needy 11 siblings. The burden was left on my shoulder, hence this problem. My dilemma was that one morning when I woke up, the unit already belongs to other owner. But our God is on time. He does not allow it. I have no savings. I have no other place to go. But alas, after I retired from public service, I visited the office of NHMFC, Davao City office. I was informed by the new Todo Descuento program. Hence, I pay full payment from my retirement pay. God is always on time on my needs. He is to be praised. Our family is very happy about it. Thank you, NHMFC. Ang bawat buwan ng Marso taon-taon ay Women's Month. Ako ay babae, kinaya ko. Ang lahat, ikaw ay kaya mo rin. Naging positibo palagi sa bawat pagsubok, may solusyon ang lahat ng ito. By the way, I was handling the Women and Child Abuse program in our office. And babae, kaya ko ito, kaya mo rin, kaya natin lahat. Pasasalamat sa National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation, especially sa lahat ng staff, kay Ma'am Sheila Solarte and Jason Pedrosa, sa lahat-lahat na support po na was able to own my own unit, and I am very happy for it. I challenge other homeowners with the same problem of me. Just see their office and they are very willing to help.
I'm 61 years old. I have 3 children. Government employee at the Department of Labor and Employment as a labor inspector senior. I am a separated women's home. Before, regarding my payments habit, before it was not good because sometimes wish ko I have to pay it on time, but I have encountered several problems due to financial difficulties. That time, my father got sick for almost more than a month in a hospital, so I have to shoulder everything financially. So, yan ang nangyari. Naging yung payment habit ko parang hindi maganda. Pero as of now, I religiously paying it monthly before.
Ako si Ginang Josefina Digrio, edad 64 years old. I am retired teacher in Arellano High School in Manila. Way back 1990s, bali second borrower ako. Ang unang may-ari si Purita Iputado. Sabi ko sa kanya yung rights niya. Tapos noon, naayos yung papel dito sa National Mortgage, pero hindi ako naging successful yung unang attend dahil nagkaroon ako ng financial problem gawa ng aking mister na kasakit. Ay nung time na yun, ako lang may trabaho, sanahin ko, tapos yung anak ko, kasalo ko yung nag-aaral. So na-overlook ko yung bahay, hindi ko siya nabayaran, napabayaan ko. Hanggang sa lumaki yung utang ko. So, nung lumaki yung utang ko, hindi ko na siya kayang bayaran. Kinakabahan ako. Kaya ika nga, sabi, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety noon. Kasi, kada magigising ako, paano na isabos namin sa bahay. Baka mamaya, yun nga, kanayasin nilang kami sa kanila. Sa Morbida, yung general na. Nung nasa sa Morbida na ako, okay yung naging smooth yung bayaran ko. Ang laking bagay sa akin. Kasi, panatag na isipan ko, nakakatulog ako ng hindi, nakakakilos ako ng maayos. Kasi, panatag niya ang kalooban ko na meron na kami sariling bahay na kaitutuloy. At sabi nga sa anak ko, ito lang kapang pwede ko ipamana sa akin. Basta maging responsable lang sila sa mga obligation. At saka, siyempre, huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa. Kung may problema, may solusyon. Huwag pababayaan yung problema. Kasi yung maliit na problema, kung pinabayaan mo yung lalaki niya. Tapos, yung second chance ko, hindi ko na siya pinag. Talagang nag-ano na ako. Kaya may pera, kaya wala kailangan bayan.